Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to adjust brightness, contrast, exposure, temperature, shadow and other functions on your picture on the Focos application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Select the picture that you want to edit, and after that click on this magic wand icon down below, which is the adjustment section, and here you can find a bunch of adjustment options. First of all, you can select the brightness of your picture, far and near intensity as well on the two scales down below. So tap on the check mark icon after selecting the relevant brightness. Then if you go back, you can also select the contrast as well as exposure. The grayscale function is also available. You can select the saturation on the same scales down below. You can also adjust the hue, temperature, and the other three options are for premium users of the application, such as the shadow, highlight and curve options. But you can also check them out how they are adjusted to your picture. So click on the check mark icon down below in order to save your changes. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.